first Friday of November. How did that even happen? It is insane. It's already November. And then we have Miss Carmen. If you can see, she's curled up. We have Carmen, and she's curled up into a tiny little ball. Hello. Hi. Sleeping and being cute. So today was Friday. We got Amazon shipment today, which was nice. We had to buy a new pooper scooper for the dog, and this is really big. It's the one that we have was like the claw, and this one is two separate things, like you're actually scooping, and it's huge. Like, I don't think you have big poops, but I mean, it's a little bit better than the one we have now. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Yeah, I know. And we also got probably the only book that Tanner will ever read in his entire life that he's not being forced to read. Milo Yiannopoulos' book. We've been hearing a lot of stuff about it, and Tanner likes Milo, so he wanted to get the book. And yeah, just hanging out today. Tanner had to go out to Alexandria to take a guy out to, but he doesn't have a car, so Tanner had to drive him because he's in charge of him, so whatever. So it's almost 3 o'clock and he's still not home. He's still driving to Alexandria, hasn't even gotten there yet to do stuff. It's like at least an hour away. So yeah, it's just me and Carmen, and I've been just hanging out. Yeah, there's Carmen. She's so cute. She's annoying, but she's cute. I would let you outside, Carmen, but there's a really big wasp flying around, and I do not want to do that. We're gonna go out to dinner tonight. We're gonna go get barbecue at BBQ's. Barbecue at BBQ's. We've been out here for a couple months. We haven't had barbecue yet. I feel like that's a disgrace. But we're getting some tonight, isn't that right? You're so cute. She's so annoying, but she's so cute. And I think we're gonna go and get her a dog training collar instead of spending several $100s on dog training that we're not sure is going to, I mean, it's not like it wouldn't be beneficial, but we don't know if it would be beneficial for what we're wanting for her, because she doesn't, like, we can't take her out anywhere because she doesn't listen when we call her name. She just like goes off, she gets in her own head about whatever, so then she just runs away. Are you yawning? So, the one place that I found is over $600 for a 6-week course, where she goes and lives there for 6 weeks. And not that we're not ready to do that, it's just that's a lot of money. So we're gonna get a collar first and see if that will help. I already did all of my chores. Yeah. Do you wanna go outside? Yeah. No? Yes? That's my day. Bad behaviors. So?
Yes.
So we went into the corner
our
gas
local liquor
station
store
where we buy all of the alcohol. And there was this lady who was trying to sell me on some wine, and then she said that she'd had a bunch of people come in and request different kinds of stuff. That
she said that she could get some off-the-wall stuff that people have never heard of, and that they've only had one customer in their whole time being a store that they haven't been able to get it. I'm hoping I'm not number 2.
So Tanner has this favorite beer that they stopped selling in Southern California.
And I haven't had it in like a year and a half.
Hasn't had it. We went to San Jose and they had it in San Jose.
Oh God, that was the best.
For that trip that we went on.
So I had to leave my name and phone number, and they're gonna call me back and see if they have Molson Canadian out here in the middle of nowhere in Louisiana.
I think I'm more excited about it than you are. I really hope they can get it.
I don't think it's gonna happen.
I really hope they can get it because that would be...
I'm dropping a couple $100 if it happens. Instantly.
Oh my gosh.
Shut up and take my money.
I wouldn't even be upset if you did that though. That would be so
I wouldn't
funny.
care if you were upset.
Mostly Canadian. Oh man. It's a good old Friday night.
What are you doing?
Videoing? Oh, she jumped up here. She did not like that.
I don't know where the cap went.
I didn't hear it land anywhere. Did it? That would be really funny. See, she doesn't like it.
It's right there.
Oh, yep, it sure is right there.
Wowzers.
But now she likes the water bottles. Isn't that right, Carmen?
What do you got?
What do you have?
She's like so proud of herself.
I know. Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it, please?
She's like,
Can I have it? No?
That's her water bottle.
That's her water bottle.
It doesn't have a cap on it, so I'm good with it.
Yeah, until like it breaks and it's sharp or something.
Yeah.
Going to town on the water bottle.
Carmen.
Carmen!
Carmen.
Do you need to take the plastic thing off of it?
Nah.
Probably should.
She's eating worse.
Yeah, but I don't like when she's eating something.
It's just plastic. It's good for the environment. It's good for the dog.
What?
Yeah. 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 Carmen. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I want you to get up and act like you're gonna go take that away from her.
Sorry.
Is she eating it now or is she
Nope.
putting it?
Put it down.
Oh my gosh. Come in.
So funny.
She's had that, what, for like 5 minutes now?
At least.
You're such a weird dog. So when Carmen wants to go outside, not needs to go outside, she wants to go outside, she stands and stares at you by the door. And it's kind of weird because she just stares at you. She just stands by the door and stares. It's kind of weird. What are you doing? Do you want to go outside? Yeah? Okay. And then she sticks her nose there. Oh my gosh, she's adorable. Annoying but adorable. So Tanner just left from being home for lunch, and he was playing his game, he got the new Call of Duty game, and he's super excited about it, and he's going to probably play it once he gets home. I'm trying to get onto a schedule of uploading and stuff. I'm gonna end this video on Monday, and maybe try to do like weekly videos starting Monday through Sunday and then uploading on Mondays. Just trying to get into a schedule instead of just kind of doing it whenever. It's good. It was a good weekend. Tanner has a 4-day weekend this week because of Veterans Day. which is nice because it's also his birthday this weekend, so we can go out and do something. We already have one thing planned, and you'll have to wait for the next video to find out what it is. We haven't been able to do this thing since we've moved here, so it's gonna be really fun.